Ah. Ah. Did you have this album before? Yeah, that was the one that did it to me. Yep.
How did you get around that?
I released the inner plug. Release, I think. I'm gonna have to take a pair of needle nose and pull the actual plug out.
Is it, it's not locked in by a little lever?
The cover is pulled off.
Okay. Okay, sweet.
Hold on, I'm gonna punch out these other lines. There you go. Punch my blocker! Punch my blocker!
Let's just see one more time if we can get it off. Want to see if we can get off one more time from there.
One more. I'm gonna lightly touch it. Maybe it'll come free.
Check my Roger back. Yeah, you put a longer extension on, Steve. Don't want to be close to it because it explodes.
Damn. So that one's coming. That one's coming.
Oh, that's why. It was all charged. Free on high, free on high, free on high.
So this one is right here.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I think I can get my lung.
Oh yeah, buddy. Yeah, with the extension, yeah, right. That must have been the high side. We just disconnected the high side. That must be the low.
Let's get high.
Woo!
I want to get high.
I want to get high.
Put this right back in and bury it.
Bury it.
Not just putting the tip in.
So those come out now?
If they do, it would be nice. Oh yeah, because it's under pressure, yeah.
Oh boy. Sensor. Sensor. Oh, that's far I don't like.
Pull from the wires, right?
Yeah, exactly. When you hear the snap.
Easy, easy, relax.
Relax, just do it. Oh man, Steve. What are you just touching shit and it's breaking, man? Where did that even come from?
Right, I'm sitting right up here. Sitting right up here.
What's it from? Let's see,
You found the other one. Look, you found the other one. Just fell out over there. We got matching set. Matching set, and we don't know where they go.
Matching styles too.
It's gotta be a shin.
Also, where I put my adapters.
Come on.
It's a 10mm, the infamous 10. The infamous 10, oh, I called it. Knew it.
I was wondering, that must lap underneath, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't want to go to that. Dude, that smells like weed.
How did you know? They found John's stash.
I wish I had a stash.
Man, I got,
Imagine
you got
that.
the stupid things out there.
Pot found a fucking kilo or something in one of these.
I mean, that would be nice.
Really?
Yeah. You know what that street value is worth? Yeah, you do. Don't lie, Steve.
Wouldn't call the cops.
Don't lie. Yeah. Yeah, right. That's exactly what Steve would do. Officer, I have found. Oh no.
That's what you get.
Man, make fun of me some more, motherfucker.
That's right. It's because of the eyes of a tiger.
Don't that smell like weed?
Why you got my light down on all the ground?
I like to get your stuff dirty. Here, there you go, John. It's clean now. Oh, God, that's nice. Yeah, hold over my hand. Thank you for that.
Let me spin it real quick. Oh!
Oh, that's the money shot.
That was that was payback.
Oh.
Well, if it's a money shot, I got on my,
Woo!
I got on my glasses. I got a facial.
Kapow!
That's it.
Monster spray. Oh, God, I can feel it dripping down my face. Oh, it's in my mouth. That's what tastes so good. Well, it's about, what was it, 11 o'clock? 10 by 10 o'clock. We just finished ripping into the BMW here. Already getting into the fun. I think say we're about a third of the way through. So having 3 guys definitely helped. But it's starting to look kind of like the motor we got sitting out in the trailer. And we're going to work on the rest of it this weekend. We're hoping to do a complete swap, so a lot of fluids came out of that. A nice little mixture in there, good stuff. And a lot of wires. The Germans do some weird shit. But we'll be taking some different video. I think I'm going to put a mount above it so we can get a top-down view of the engine as we pull it out, which would be pretty cool. So hoping to get that swapped done this weekend.